Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video guys, we will talk about what is an integrated circuit. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is an integrated circuit? An integrated circuit or IC, also commonly referred to as a microchip or simply a chip, is a miniaturized electronic circuit consisting of semiconductor devices such as transistors, diodes, and capacitors, fabricated on a single piece of semiconductor material, typically silicon. These components are interconnected by metallic wires or traces deposited on the semiconductor substrate, allowing them to perform various functions such as amplification, switching, or digital logic operations. Integrated circuits revolutionized the electronics industry by enabling the miniaturization of electronic devices and reducing production costs. They are found in almost every electronic device today, from smartphones and computers to medical equipment and automotive systems. Integrated circuits come in different types, including analog integrated circuits or AICs, digital integrated circuits or DICs, mixed signal integrated circuits, MSICs, and more specialized types like microprocessors and memory chips. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is integrated circuit is all about. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.